Hello everyone, how's you all? I hope you all are doing great. Well, today I'm here to discuss about heart, and today's topic is heart. As we all know that heart is a vital organ of human body and play incredible role in one's life. The main function of this is physiological function to fulfill the blood supply to the entire body. Okay, let's begin with the definition of heart. Heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood throughout the body. It is located in the middle cavity of the chest between the lungs, and heart is about 342 grams. Means heart is consist of different muscles and layers. That's why it is known as a muscular organ. And the main function of heart is to deliver oxygenated blood and convert it from deoxygenation. If we talk about the weight of heart, it could be 342 grams and it can be vary from person to person and as per sex ratio. As per moving further, there are layers of heart which is of three types. First one is epicardium. Epicardium is the outermost layer of the heart which carry blood vessels. And the next one is myocardium. It is the middle layer which is composed of contractile tissues which helps in contraction and relaxation of heart. And the last one is endocardium. Endocardium is the innermost layer which involves walls, inner lining of chambers and contains vessels and nerves which present inside the heart. And this is a diagram of heart. In diagram of heart, there are different types of parts which are present inside the diagram as we can see from this. Firstly, if we talk about parts of heart, first one is chambers. Mainly in chambers there is a four subtypes. First one is right atrium and right ventricle which present on the right side of the heart, and on the other hand there is on the left side, left atrium and left ventricle is present. Apart from this, there is a valves present inside the heart, which tricuspid valve which is present on the right side between right atrium and right ventricle, which permit blood to flow from right atrium to right ventricle. That's why it is called tricuspid valve. And the next one is bicuspid valve. The main function of this valve is to allowing blood flow from left atrium to left ventricle. And third one is aortic valve which is present on the left side, which allow to flow the blood from aortic valve to aorta. And the pulmonary valve which is present on the right side, which deliver blood to the lungs for filtration. And another topic is blood supply of heart. There is a different kinds of veins, blood vessels are present which help to carry blood from different body parts to the heart, which is of deoxygenated blood or poor in oxygen. But heart play a vital role in filtering the blood while pumping. So, heart deliver the oxygenated blood to the different body parts through arteries. Firstly, superior vena cava and inferior vena cava play a role to carry poor in oxygen blood, which known as a deoxygenated blood to the heart, which deliver blood to the right side of the heart. And from right side, blood firstly go into a right atrium and through tricuspid valves opening it enter into the right ventricle. Afterwards, pulmonary artery which is present on the right and left side and connected to the lungs carry blood to the lungs for gas exchange in which CO2 is removed from the blood and oxygen is entered and mixed with the blood. Afterwards, pulmonary veins which is also present on the both side of lungs carry oxygenated blood from the lungs and deliver it to the left atrium and then left ventricle, and through that aorta distribute this oxygenated blood to the whole body parts. And this is a circulation of blood through heart. Firstly, blood flows from superior and inferior vena cava. As I told you earlier, these two vena cavas play a function to carry deoxygenated blood from the whole body. Superior vena cava carry blood from upper body part, and inferior vena cava carry blood from lower and bottom part of the body. And then it empty into right atrium, and right atrium directly deliver the blood into right ventricle through allowance of tricuspid valves. Then blood enter into a pulmonary artery which is poor in oxygen. Afterwards, right and left pulmonary arteries deliver blood to the lungs directly for gas exchange. Gas exchange is known as a removal of carbon dioxide from the blood and entrance or inhalation of oxygen into the blood. Then oxygenated blood carried by pulmonary veins, which is also present on the both sides of the lungs, which deliver directly blood to left atrium, and left atrium send this blood to left ventricle through opening of bicuspid valve. Afterwards, or eventual part is aorta. Aorta distribute oxygen blood to the whole body through in upper body parts and lower body parts equally. In ending, there is a functions of heart, and as we all know that the heart is an important organ which helps in filtration of blood. First function of heart is control heart rate and rhythm. Heartbeat as heart is beat as per pumping of the heart, and it maintain the rhythm. Next one is maintain blood pressure. Heart is maintain blood pressure by systolic and diastolic contraction and relaxation. Third one is the third function is pumping the blood throughout the body. And fourth one is supply oxygen through gas exchange and nutrient